friends, many times one question is asked to me from a lot of patients that which is the ideal season to undergo knee replacement surgery. When we take it into medical terms, there is nothing like a specific season to undergo any particular procedure. Any time of the year, so anyone can undergo this procedure. For this particular procedure, which is an elective procedure, people will have time to think about it. Option of postponing this procedure for particular time of a year, depending on their other commitments, family commitments, or their taking leave of the attendants, or someone visiting them who is staying abroad. During that time they have to schedule it, or they have someone who is taking care of them who will be free during that specific time. So for all these reasons, people have their specific time to decide for this particular procedure. When this question is asked, which is the ideal season? If you Google it, you will get spring and autumn. Spring season in India is at the time of Ugadi, or pre-monsoon season, which is March, April, May, which corresponds to the summer holidays for the school children. When school-going children are in their holidays, the parents can take care of their grandparents and surgery can be done. So that is what we are seeing in our regular day-to-day practice. Usually at the time of March, April, May, after the exams are over, this particular knee replacement surgery numbers are high. And second time is autumn season, winter, means before the winter season starts, before December, September, October, November. This is again another time which we are seeing the number of surgeries are more, probably because of the holidays again, or the evening temperature is low, and it's not that cold as winter, and there is no monsoon we have got over, probably because of that, or depending on their leave again, taking leave from the workplace, because December is the one which people go with their family for vacation, and it's a time of ending of the year, so they might prefer to get it done during September, October times. And as the November, December winter starts, it will be cold, and people have that in their mind that during the winter seasons the wounds don't heal, because India comes under this tropical zone. The temperature variations are not so much extremes, at least in Bangalore, where I see many patients, unless there is some extreme temperature of like a other zones where you can see minus temperature, or polar zones, or dry zones, or temperate zones. So we have moderate temperature in most of the months, except for too hot in some of the particular areas. Because we are doing any other procedure, this is like any other procedure, but this is elective procedure. People have time to think about and decide based on their convenience and these things. So that's about it. Usually people prefer during these seasons, March, April, May, June, and the second peak is during September, October, before December. However, it also depends on a lot of other factors, that when they have severe pain, probably someone who is waiting for surgery for 6 months, but suddenly they get severe pain and they cannot walk and they decide to go for surgery, then they don't check any season or anything. Other thing is, when they would have completed their insurance premium for the health insurance, eligible to go for cashless insurance, probably that is also one of the things they look into during decision making. If this explanation helps you to take some decision and clears your doubts, I am happy. And if you feel that this is useful to you, please share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.